If you've recently become a certified diver, you might be wondering whether you really need your own dive computer. After all, most dive centers rent them. But buying your own dive computer is one of the smartest investments you can make in your diving. In this video, we will learn why owning your own computer makes diving safer, easier, and far more enjoyable. So, what does a dive computer do? Well, a dive computer constantly measures your depth and time underwater. It calculates your no decompression limit, your NDL, your ascent rate, safety stop, surface interval, and many other important pieces of information. Think of it as your personal underwater safety assistant. Years ago, divers planned every dive using printed dive tables called recreational dive planners. These tables calculated their NDL based on time and depth. Then they had to calculate repetitive dives manually based on what they actually did on the previous dive and how long their surface interval is. They had to take a timing device and a depth gauge with them on every dive. They had to remember the time of entry and how long they've been underwater. Many dive computers perform all these calculations continuously and far more accurately. And you don't need to do the mental arithmetic underwater to work out how much NDL you have left. Your dive computer tells you. Rental computers certainly work. They're an excellent option for occasional divers. But every rental computer is different. The buttons are different. The menus are different. The displays are different. So instead of enjoying your dive, you're spending valuable time trying to understand how that particular computer works, where the relevant information is displayed, what those beeps mean if they occur, and then remembering all that you just learned underwater. When you own your own computer, every dive builds experience. You know exactly where every menu is. You recognize every alarm. You understand every display. That familiarity reduces stress and lets you focus on diving. Now, your computer remembers every dive you've completed. Depth, time, temperature, surface intervals, maximum depth. This information is valuable for improving your diving and planning future trips. Every dive computer uses a decompression algorithm to calculate your no decompression limit. Different manufacturers may calculate slightly differently. When you rent different computers on every trip, you're constantly changing algorithms. Owning one computer keeps everything consistent from dive to dive. Knowing your own computer improves safety. You instantly recognize alarms, low battery, fast ascent, safety stop reminders, no confusion, just immediate action. Then there's the cost consideration. Rental computers often cost between $20 and $30 a day. If you dive regularly, buying your own computer quickly pays for itself. After enough dives, you're effectively diving with your own equipment at no additional rental cost. If you're buying your first computer, don't worry about having every advanced feature. Just look for a clear display, easy-to-use buttons, nitrox compatibility. Even if you're not nitrox certified yet, you will likely get your nitrox certification. Rechargeable or easily replaceable battery. Bluetooth log transfer if you enjoy digital logbooks. Simple is usually better. Many excellent manufacturers produce reliable dive computers. Choose one that suits your budget and your diving style. The best computer isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one you understand and use confidently. So, why should you buy your own dive computer? Because it becomes familiar, it records your personal dive history, it provides consistent calculations, It improves your confidence, it enhances safety, and over time, it usually saves money too. A dive computer isn't just another piece of equipment. It's one of the most important safety tools you'll ever own. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Valkyrie Divers for more practical scuba diving advice designed to make every diver safer and more enjoyable. Until next time, dive calm, dive safe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.